Hello everyone, it's Power X64 Plus. So, YouTube, it's been around for quite some time now, almost 20 years. So, I had this idea of a challenge. I'm going to try and create a YouTube video using only technology from before 2006. So, I'm gonna record, edit, and upload a video using only old tech from the mid 2000s. So, there are some rules which I have for this. So, any hardware or software that I use has to be made before 2006, with the exception of the web browser, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. So, to begin, the first thing we need if we're going to make a video is, well, a camera. So, the camera that I have right now that I'm recording the desk with is a Handycam from 2007, so it's a little bit too new, so we can't use it. There do exist mini DV camcorders from that era, but I don't have one. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use this. So this is a smartphone, my Palm Trio 650 from 2004, and it's going to be paired with this 2 GB SD card. So this is kind of going to be our camcorder, so to speak. So we've established how I'm going to record it, but how am I going to edit it? That is using this. This is a Dell Latitude D630 laptop. This is from 2007, so it's definitely on the newer side, but it offers a pretty good balance between performance and being, well, an old laptop, I guess. Also, it's the only old Windows laptop I have, so it has Windows XP on it, and installed I have VLC. VLC has been around since 2001, so that counts. We have Windows Movie Maker and ULEAD Video Studio. So let's start by recording the video. Okay, so I just recorded the video on the Palm to the SD card. Now we get to transfer the video to the laptop using the USB cable. I don't think this needs much explaining, at least this part of the process. Okay, with our USB plugged in, we need to hot sync This may or may not take a while. Runtime error. Oh, did I accidentally touch the device and cause it to disconnect? Yeah, that's not good. Okay. I accidentally like jolted the phone and caused it to disconnect, so we have to try again. Your battery is almost empty. Oh no. Oh no, how terrible. I know that's a lie because I charged this up a while ago. I guess we're gonna have to leave it plugged into the laptop to get it to stop complaining about the battery. No, no, please don't shut it down. What is going on? Okay, there you go. The battery is not almost empty. Sometimes it does this, and I think it's because the battery is so old. It's at 70%. Anyways, let's try that again, and I'm going to be very careful not to touch it while it's syncing. I'm going to put it right here on the palm rest of the laptop, and I'm not going to touch it. Oh, one of the USB devices attached to this computer is not recognized. Okay, let's try restarting the laptop. Alright, we're back. Let's hope that whatever junk that was has decided to stop and that I can just do this. No, I'm not gonna register. It's not like I can anymore anyways. I just pressed the sync button and I don't see anything happening, so... It was working off camera, and you saw it try to work, and then I touched it and ruined everything. Alright, let's unplug it. Plug it into another port. Hey, what's going on? This doesn't make any sense at all. I thought this would just work, but I guess that's an unreasonable assumption to make. Okay, unplug it and plug it back in. If not, we can do a reset. The computer didn't do anything when I plugged it back in, so that's not good. Oh, finally! Finally, jeez. Okay. It's finally done. That took quite a while. Now that that's done, let's go to my videos and see the videos that we just recorded. Oh, look at the, did you see that? XP always does that for me. Might be a graphics driver related thing. Okay, so I need to find which one of these was the ones I just recorded. That looks like it in all of its crusty quality. And then this one should be the second part. Yes. So I'm going to try and put those into a folder. So that way when I'm selecting it in the video converter, I know what I'm doing and I'm not accidentally selecting the wrong thing. I hope that those are the right videos. One moment. This .3GP file format, I don't know of any editors from this era that could handle that, so I had to get a software called Super that could convert it to other file formats. So I'm gonna convert it to MPEG-2 using Super. So if we go to you can see it in the title bar. This is from October 1st, 2005. So it's right in the time frame that we're looking for. So we're going to convert it to MPEG-2. Aspect ratio, let's go for 4:3. Video scale size, let's put that in no change. Bitrate, I mean, even if I increase that, this video is not going to look good. Now for audio, I'm just going to leave that alone. And this is where they want us to put the file that we're trying to convert. So let me I have to drag and drop it. Drop a valid multimedia file. I wonder if it'll do multiple or it's just one. Alright, well, let's see what happens. Encode. So far it seems to be working. I wonder if it's combining the videos into like one. That would actually be helpful. Well, it created this here. Okay, so it only did the first clip. That means I manually have to choose the second clip and run that a separate time, which is this one. No problem. While that's going, let me just tell you how much of a nightmare it was. Prior to recording, I was trying to do some setup to make sure that I could even do this prior to recording, and I was looking for a video converter, and I went through like 3 different programs that didn't work. First, I tried to use Handbrake, but Handbrake, the oldest version, was from 2011, and it could only do MP4. Then I tried something called Zillisoft Video Converter, went to the Wayback Machine and downloaded it. That didn't work either, because you needed to register it, and obviously I couldn't buy it, and I wasn't willing to buy it. And then that's when I came across this. So it took a bit of trial and error to get something that worked. Anyways. Alright, there's our second recording. And they're in MPEG-2.mpg format now. So I have a couple video editors on this computer already. We have ULEAD Video Studio, which is the first one we're going to try, Video Studio 7 from 2003. Its UI is a little bit weird. Load video. Open. Contains no video data. Well, that's a bunch of garbage, because it's an MPG, a regular MPEG-2 file. You saw me play it with VLC. Does this support regular MPG files? It supports WMV, UIS, MPV. It does support MPG, so I don't know what's going on there. Video can be a bit finicky. Alright, well, that's not gonna work. Let's try Windows Movie Maker. This has to support it. There's no way it doesn't. Let's try drag and drop it. Oh, I'm so glad it does. I was worried that it wasn't going to support it, and then I had to go down another rabbit hole to find out why. Okay. Oh, I can only do 1 clip at a time? I just dragged it in it. Alright, well. We'll do show timeline. Drop that in there. Oh, that will trim it. Okay. One issue I didn't consider was the fact that the speakers in this laptop are kind of gone. I mean, they're there, but they don't work properly, so I'm gonna have to put on some headphones. So I'm gonna edit this off camera, then I'll show you the finished product in here. Then we'll get to upload it. Alright, so it's been a bit. I added some music and titles, and I have to say, Windows Movie Maker is actually pretty easy to use. You'll see this at the end, but there's a quick scroll over. And I also have to say that this laptop is surprisingly good at editing videos. I thought it would struggle a bit more than this, but everything was smooth. I guess that's the power of the Core 2 Duo. Anyways, let's now file. I'm guessing save movie file. Okay, movie location. The web. Interesting. I plan to do this on the computer. DV camera. Huh, that's cool. Anyways, my videos. I don't know what. Oh, WMV. I don't know about WMV, but I guess if YouTube supports that, it probably does. That's probably going to take a while. 13 minutes. Definitely not going to be quick. And I was going to open the browser to go to YouTube and see if we can upload using this old laptop, but I think I should wait for this to be done because it's most likely going to put way too much stress on the CPU. So I guess I'll see you in 15 minutes when this is finished. So it's been a while. It took way more than 15 minutes for that to finish. And we're going to go into the web browser and see if we can upload this video. So, okay, I'm going to plug in the Ethernet because I know that doing this over Wi-Fi might take a very long time. So give me 1 second. Let's go to studio.youtube.com. Okay, there's my channel page. It's for my other channel, PowerX64 Online. We're gonna upload it here. Let's hope that this works. This is so slow that I wouldn't be surprised if it's just unusably slow and I have to use the other browser. Never mind. I didn't expect to get this far. Select files. Okay. Let's go find the video. Open. Just leave the title default. This is probably going to be an unlisted video. Oh my gosh, it's actually uploading. I was thinking this part would be where I would be stopped, but we managed to upload the video using a 17-year-old laptop. Now it's processing it. Probably gonna make this an unlisted video. Processing up to SD, 12 minutes. Okay. Let's go video elements. Oh. There's a exclamation mark here. And I cannot scroll. Alright, what are they asking? Oh, this. No. Video elements. We're not going to add any. It's literally just a proof of concept. Visibility. Unlisted. I'll put this URL in the description if you want to check it out. Copy that. And save. We're not going to be able to watch the video on this laptop because it struggles so much to run YouTube, so I'll just find it on my desktop and show you that it indeed works. Okay, so I'm recording the video. I'm not sure what the video is going to be about, but that's our video. Alright, I'm going to edit it in so you can actually see it. But to conclude the video, I'd say that was a success with surprisingly minimal challenges. Only the palm syncing thing was a problem. So there you go. We uploaded a video using technology that's nearly 2 decades old. And the fact that this is still possible is amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so I'm recording the video. I'm not sure what the video is going to be about, but right now we're looking out my window at a tree, probably in really grainy quality. Here's a look at my computer setup. Got my laptop, camcorder, monitors. Oh yeah, this is a really big, oh wow. This is a really big light bulb. It's 50 watts and it's really bright. My Panasonic TV, I did a video about this a while back. There's my PlayStation 2 and my printer, which has a blanket on it. Let me just remove the blanket. There it is. Notice the PS2 has a USB drive. That's a drawer of light bulbs. That's a cable box. Down there is the computer with some messed up USB ports and an optical drive, router. So it's a real mess, but it works. Oh, here's my scanner, HP ScanJet 5590. This light bulb is really hot, and it has an ADF, and you can like open the top of it. Turn on the laptop. Okay, we're in Windows XP. No, I'm not going to register. I said I'm not going to register. Let's go to my website. Oh, looks like I don't have any internet. Well, that's not good. Never mind, I do. Okay. Let's type in the URL, power X. Oh, the 6 key is missing. There it is. That's my website. You can see the gallery and all this stuff. I think that's it for this short video, so I have to go edit this and finish the challenge.